I have the two new packs, this one and these. I want to start with this one. I got the wrapper off. Now I'm going to open up this box. The box. I'm going to open it up. Open up the box. It comes in a black bag. And I'm gonna see what one I got. I got Supergirl. The edition of the superheroes. Now I'm gonna open up the spider car. I'm gonna take out this trash for the video. And here is the spider car. Huh?
Where'd you get them?
The USA. We got them at FYE, and the Spider-Man car is cool, and Supergirl is cool. And Supergirl is right there. That's Supergirl. And here are the two toys we got today. Now I'm going to tell you a story. Hulk in an ambulance. Spider-Man flashed into his own car and he got hurt. Then Hulk showed up. Hulk took him to the hospital. And Hulk put him inside the back, and he went to the hospital. He turned back, opened the door and back. And Supergirl showed up. And Spider-Man got in his car, and then, hold on. Hey. Huh?
Who?
Luke Skywalker. And then he got out of his vehicle, and Hulk got in the green one because he's green. And then Hulk got in Luke Skywalker's vehicle, and then he got in, and he got in his vehicle, and then all they have is these vehicles.